Alright, today I'm going to show you how to change out the brake light switch. When your light turns on, or when you press the brakes, the light doesn't turn on. And it's very bad because it can give you trouble for when people are behind you and they don't know when you're going to stop or brake, and it can rear end you. So, in my case, fuses in the switch is a little off, so that every time I on the car, if I on the lights, the light will stay red. But when I push the brakes, it won't illuminate. Let me show you an example. Alright, so the lights are on, but if I push the brakes, it won't illuminate. It won't get nothing. You see what I mean? So in order to fix that, it's usually a brake light switch that's the problem. So I'm gonna teach you how to change it out. It's pretty fast. Let's go. Okay, so for this 2008 Kia Spectra, the brake light switch kind of looks like this. It's like T-prong kind of. Yeah, these are like $5 on Rock Auto. This might be your problem. If your light switch in the back is just always braking, even if you're not pressing brake or your lights are not on, that might mean there's a little rubber that's stuck on your brake that broke off. So this prong thing pokes through. And if you want to test it, you can use a paper clip to check if it turns on. I'll show you this hack real fast. Alright, so if your light is just always constantly on, this might be the problem right here. It's the rubber that gets pushed down by the prong. Usually you should check that if it's on. If not, your problem might be the brake light switch, which is this for me. And if you want to check if it's the problem, you see these little cable connectors? You just connect them with a paper clip. So that way you can see if it's on. So let's try it out. I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so like I said, the light ons, but when I push the brake it doesn't work. So to check if I'm right or wrong, it might be the little rubber if it just stays on, even if you turn off the car. But if you're not sure, it might be the brake light switch. Paper clip hack right here. Watch as I put it into the terminals and it'll illuminate. That's how I know it's the brake light switch. You see it? It went off. Try it a paper clip. So if the paper clip hack helped you, that usually is your brake light switch would be the problem. It's held together by 2 bolts. You just gotta loosen up the one right there, but you'll need to have like someone push this, or if your car's on, you can push it yourself to loosen that bolt so you can install the new one. So I just did the paper clip thing and it plugged it in here, and that's what made it illuminate. So that's how I know my brake light switch is the problem. Let me change that out. Before you do anything electrical or with your engine, always unplug your battery. You know, keep yourself safe so you don't blow out your fuse in your car and so forth. So just always unplug your battery before working on it. Also wear gloves, because you know, rubber gloves, electrical shit, you don't want to get electrocuted. This is a pretty hard thing to film, kind of things. I'm just gonna try to push it through the brake and then try to unscrew the bolt holding the brake light switch. Well, I don't have help to push the brake down, so I use a skateboard. Yep. Let's see if we can do it. Alright, so I got it loose. Just remember, you need this bolt, and the best practice is always to compare the old to the new part when you're gonna install it. So yeah, let's put this is the old, but let's put this new one back into where it belongs. But remember to keep this. Alright, so I finished putting the brake light switch in, and that shit's a hard motherfucker, man. It's really hard to do. You get yourself in some weird positions. But since it's in, let's go check it out if it works. And it does. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helps if you own a 2008 Kia Spectra and you need to fix the brake light switch or that little rubber thing that's in the brake pedal. But yeah, comment, like, and subscribe. Peace, I'm out. Easy done.